Hello everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to this part 2 of chapter cell class 8. In the part 1 video, we have already discussed about cell, its introduction, that it is the structural and functional unit of all the living organisms, and the cell it can vary with respect to its shape, size and number. So now in this video, we will see how the cell appears like. That means the structure of a typical cell. As you students, you can see in the picture, this is a structure of a typical cell. All the living cells, they appear like this with a cell membrane and a protoplasm. The cell membrane is the outermost covering, which is also called the protoplasm, and all the material which is present inside the cell membrane, it is called protoplasm. This protoplasm consists of cytoplasm and the nucleus. Nucleus, generally it is seen in the center of the cell. Sometimes it is on the sides also. We will be discussing in detail in the next video. And cytoplasm contains all the other structures which are present in the cell, which perform different functions within a cell, which are called cell organelles. We will be doing them in detail in the next video. This is how a typical cell appears like: a cell membrane with a protoplasm, and protoplasm is the cytoplasm and the nucleus. If we want to prepare a cell slide, then we will be seeing like how animal cell or plant cell will appear like. To prepare the slide for animal cell, we can prepare it with for the cheek cells. What you have to do is you have to scratch gently the inner side of your cheek with a toothpick. The toothpick should not be it should be blunt, it should not be sharp. So scratch it gently on the inner side of your cheek, and then rub it on the center of a clean glass slide. Put the drop of the stain methylene blue over it, and then cover it with a cover slip and watch it under the microscope. You can see this is how the cheek cell will appear in the picture. We can clearly see the cell membrane and the irregular shape of the cheek cells with a nucleus and cytoplasm in it. To prepare the slide for the onion peel, you have to take a small piece of a transparent covering of the onion peel and put a drop of the stained safranin over it and cover it with the cover slip and observe it under the microscope. You can see it will appear like this as shown in the picture. We can see that the shape of the onion peel, especially over here, they have a particular shape over here. That means the shape is near about fixed, which was not like with the cheek cell, that was of the irregular shape. And we can see that it has a cell. We can see the cell wall and the cytoplasm and a dark color center, which is called the nucleus. We can the slide for the blood cells can also be prepared. You can see it in the picture also how it appears like under the microscope for the blood cells. So this is all about like how the cell will appear under a microscope. We have to do the functions in detail. I will be taking all the details of the functions of cell organelles in the next video. Thanks for watching.